Welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating a ball bouncing effect using Pygame and Python only. So it will consist of, as you can see, 18 lines of code, and it will contain around 18 lines of code. Okay, guys, and let's see the final how it's going to look. Okay, after we finish coding, let's see how it's going to look. After we run it, you can see this is how it's going to look, guys. You can see the bounce animations, bounce, and while bouncing, guys, the color actually changes. As you can see, uh, color change to different colors randomly. This is what we'll be creating. It's a very beginner project. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, let's get started. First of all, we are going to have a def calculate area radius, and next we are going to have return 3 seconds radius. Next we are going to have calculate areas 5, and enter. We are going to have output. This is going to be a how it what is going to give. Before that, guys, one thing is you have to import Pygame here. So we are import Pygame main thing, okay, and then we are going to have leave that, and we are going to have print calculate area. Close this one, keep this, and sorry, print enter. We are going to have calculate area, but this is going to be calculate bounds. Okay, bounds equal the and next thing we are going to do, guys, we're going to combine all like this is a one set, just like this. We're going to use this all on, bring this studio so here. That's one thing. Yeah, now we should just so yeah. Next we are going to have a same thing. We are going to copy this here, going to paste it, and now we are going to have take this bit section. Now we have to take this bit front, this whole bit front, okay. Next, this also going to be this whole. So like this. Next, we are going to have that's it. This is it, but we have more to do. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we are going to code the final things here, which is going to be the Pygame quit. That means when you can press escape and you can go away. So Pygame quit. Pygame quit. Alright, so this is it for today's video in Python. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you can get the source code always. It will be in the description in my GitHub, so you don't need to pay. So it's free. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me a lot to upload more videos daily. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's see the final outcome. Next we are going to Run it. Nice. Bouncing ball animation is working. As you can see, it knocks to the corner and it changes the color. And then bounce again. It's going in a rotation, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please drop a like, drop a comment of your favorite language, programming language. And I will see you in the next. Peace.